Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to upload model to Hatch using Hatch plugins. This is on SketchUp. Hatch plugin is just here. First, you can create your project, and it will link you, drive you to web app. For example, I say house. So coming back to the SketchUp, you can see the project is here. So you pick the project, and then you can, if you want to upload everything on this file, you just click upload. So when it's done, you can see it's here. Go back to Hatch, and here you go. The model is here. Now you can share it with your colleague, your team, your clients, builder. You can share, giving the permission control, or you can make the link public so everyone can see. Here as well. If it feel like you just want to update just a small part of the model, that is also work as well. So the easiest way is just pick, for example, okay, I want to pick this, just this part of the model, the first four. You just pick it and then just click upload. And then here is that. So if you go back to the project, you can see it's already here. Yeah, this is just the first four. So Hatch plugin are available on SketchUp, Rhino, and Revit. You can download it from the link below. Thank you.